welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. So we are starting our Bachata arm styling 3-week challenge. And today, being week number 1, level number 1, I'm gonna give you my top 3 Bachata arm styling. So, what to expect in this video? Section number 1, demonstration. Section number 2, follow along. Number 3, quick explanation. But if you want to find out what's going to happen next week, stick around because I'm going to give you a little preview. All right, let's do this. Let's go ahead and do the follow along exercises. I'm going to mirror you. So I'm going to start with my left, you start with your right. We're going to do 4 times each arm style. So remember, we have the natural looking, and then we have the painting the wall, and we also have the frame your body and comb your hair. Okay, so each of them 4 times, only arms. Let's do it. Alright ladies, now that we got to practice the arms only, we're going to add it to the basics. So pretty much we're doing exactly the same thing, each different style, only to the side basic, 4 times each. Ladies, let's go ahead and do the quick explanation, and this is going to be for number 1, which is the natural arm looking. Okay, so to make it easier for you, I'm just going to mirror you. I'm going to start with my left and you start with your right. Okay, so what's happening in this arm styling? Well, let's break it down a little bit. What I'm going to ask you to do is just start with your arms extended. Yes, and you're going to think bringing your elbows towards your ribs. Okay, so bring it, and then you're going to practice that a few times, and then practice with your right. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. All right, now what's happening next? Let's move on to the second level. We're going to bring the elbow first, but then you want to cut yourself in the middle. Okay, so try this with one hand. There you go. And now try it with the other hand. And now let's alternate. Remember, I'm mirroring you, and that's a hard word, man. Okay, so we're going to start as one hand comes in, then the other one is out, okay? Then we switch, 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 switch. Okay, Awesome. Now, if you are having issues with that, I suggest we pause it and practice that a little bit longer. Now, if you need a deeper explanation, look at this video. It's going to be very well explained. All right? Now, let's go to the next one. Now, for the next one, ladies, we have what I call painting the wall. Okay? So what's happening there? We're pretty much pretending that our arms are like brushes. Yes, the ones that you paint the wall with. So you have a wall next to you and you want to paint a circle, okay? So you go all the way. You're going to start the movement. Let's start it from here. Yeah, we're going to start like again cutting ourselves in the middle. And then we go, cut yourself in the middle. And then almost touch your wrists. And then go down. So one more time. And that's it, super simple. All right. Now for the last one, the only thing you need to think is you are framing your body. So on the sides, just literally go all the way up, all the way up. Now frame your face, but now with this part of your hands, all the way up. And now turn your wrist and throw it away, okay? Cross your hands and comb your hair. Now, another example that I like giving is like, imagine you have a bar of soap, you know, the one that you take a shower with, and then you're putting it all the way in your body. Yummy, 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 yummy. I don't need it anymore, throw it away. And then cross, comb your hair, and always frame your body and mean it so it looks and feels sexier. So pretty much what we need to know is that every single dance movement, including the arms, starts with the center, our center of gravity, yes? So now we're going to we're going to make it happen, and we're going to think literally, imagine that that's coming from your center, and then it goes shoulder, and then it goes elbow, wrist, and fingers. And then when it comes back, it's exactly the same thing. Center, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. Yes? For everything. So we go center, shoulder, elbows, wrists, and fingers. Tip number 2, and I mentioned this before, is feel it, believe it. Because if you're just doing this, even though you're doing the correct technique, bachata is one of the most essential dances ever. So if you are doing it, even you do it wrong, but you believe it and you feel sexy, that's going to sell. Believe me, ladies. All right. Well, good luck. And yes, I'm going to give you a quick preview, so stay tuned. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped. And remember, you have to do this every day for a full week. And next week, you're going to be so ready so we can move on together to the next level. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. And if you feel like it was helpful for yourself, then go ahead and share with your friends and family. And see you here next week.